presently at the Seafood Festival in Great Park in Charlestown, Rhode Island. And we have a custom car show here and custom car and bike show, live music, and a lot of other things. I'm just going to go and pan the cars now, so hope you all enjoy what you're going to see. So we're going to go walk with me and take a look at some of the new cars. Let's look at some of the cars here. Pretty good. All kinds of trophies in this car. What kind of cars we got?
Yeah,
Get out. '49 Roadster, another 1952 Roadster, 1949 Ford, I think it is. Engine design there. Check that motor. That's just absolutely freaking awesome. I gotta take a close up at that. Oh, that's just absolutely divine. That motor is just pretty friggin' awesome. Wow. Plus we have a Corvette coming into view here. 1996 Corvette Supercharger Mercedes. And of course, lo and behold, my best friend here, Russ, and his 1974 MG. All the trophies. Trophy awards. Another nice car here. Monster Deluxe. Chevrolet Monster Deluxe.
I'm gonna get one of these buckets. I'm gonna go right on there and one time. That's why I like it one time, right?
Oh man, what a ride right here. Can't beat that for a ride, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, that is a 1976 Duster 340. Totally decked out race everything. Look inside of that nice friggin' race car. See that, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, you can't beat that. All jacked up ride, man. Even got her shifter behind it. Here we have a 1974 Beetle. All decked out Beetle. Volkswagen. Take a look inside. It's all decked out as a race. That jacked up shifter we got. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Cool for a ride. So we'll check out the motor in that thing. Custom Custom design with flow-through race engine. Here we have a display. Another Chevy next to it. Check out that inside, my friend. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that inside, huh? Let's bring it on. So we got 1949 Roadster. Austin Ford. Original design. Chevrolet 390 GTO. Look at AMS GTO. No, it's AMC, I'm sorry. Look at that motor. Just totally upside down. Let's see what it looks like inside. About that one. That's sweet. We got another nice Ford here. Got nitrous oxide in this puppy. It's a Ford. It's a custom Ford, completely rebuilt. Look at that detail in that motor. You don't get to see anything like that otherwise. Take you inside, show you what a real man's vehicle is, ladies and gentlemen. Something to drool over, huh? What about that? What about that for a road car, my friend? Ladies and gentlemen, my friends on. Looks like an interesting allotment we've got here today at an Integrated Park here in Charlestown, Virginia. We have another 1936 Chevrolet, I believe it is. We're passing by that, and we're panning to a Ford Deluxe with a race engine in it. Totally race everything, my friends. I'll take you around. Let's go inside for have a look. Let's see. Start just coming inside, ladies and gentlemen. Now you can actually see everything in that. We have a 327 Bel Air. Original everything. Ladies and gentlemen, you won't get to see anything like this ever again in your life. We're talking about real technology here. This Bel Air will outdo any Corvette any day. Take you inside and have a look at what inside of a Bel Air really looks like. You only get to see this kind of car in movies. But how about when you get to see it in real life, huh? Isn't that just nice? Look at all them nice cars, huh? Nice Chevrolet Bel Air. Now we go up to a Ford F-100. We're looking at best of best. Rated best of best for Ford technology. 1937, I think, Ford, all completely redone. We have original design 71 Buick. Of course, late model Trans Am. Check this puppy out right here. We got 1977, I think, Riviera. Classic design for a car. Take a look inside the motor here. That's just nice. I'll give you a nice close-up of what that motor looks like. My friends, it's even got air horns. And can you believe that? Look at those air horns. Those bells are so big. Original. Jeff Goldstein's Hunter did it. Yeah, you can come up to that. Take a look. 300 horsepower that car turns out. Can you believe it, ladies and gentlemen? That's quite a car, huh? Go to the Corvette. Nice original 412 cubic inch Corvette, 1975. Corvette Stingray, my friends. Rare to see this anymore. We are at the Custom Car Show in Grant Park.
Yeah.